Hi Gearshifters, I am at Crossroads Harley Davidson and Keith just installed a new exhaust system for me. He removed the Sampson Fishtails because they were leaking. He replaced them with the 4-inch DBX40 Slip-Ons by Rinehart. It's a dual exhaust system and I love it. And so this is a tune?
Yeah, the tune you got in there has been tuned to those pipes. Because they have a two-digit number assigned to it. I'm not shocked. Version.
And so it's loading like all the information about my bike?
Well, what happens is they update things, and you have to update your VCI before it will communicate with the new software. So, I mean, they might update it again 2 weeks from now. So, generally speaking, about every time you do this, you gotta do this. And that's how I found out you have a tune in this bike. I use Digital Technician, and it tells me from the calibration part number that there's an assigned calibration on this thing where somebody has actually tuned it. I'll show you here in a minute if we ever get there. So, assigned out from the part number?
Yeah.
That means that this file that's in it has been tuned for this bike. No ifs, ands, or buts.
So are they all unique? Are they like snowflakes, or are they
No,
all?
No, they're not. What we're going to do is we're going to put the starting calibration for this pipe cam in there, so it'll have the correct file because it's been tuned for those other head pipes. Is what somebody did.
Okay.
So you can see again what it's got in it currently right now. It has the 001. That's the tune you have right now. We program it, that's going to be double zeros.
Okay.
That means that it is stocked the way Harley sent that calibration.
Okay. So warning, do not interrupt the programming process, or the motorcycle may be programmed with corrupt data. Yeah, we're not going to corrupt it. I'll be quiet. These look a lot better. I'll be traveling across the country over the next few weeks and look forward to doing this with a brand new exhaust system. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified each time I release a new video. Thanks for riding along.